To my countrymen, my sincerest and most heartfelt greetings to all Filipinos, both here and abroad, as we celebrate Christmas. Once again, it is the time of the year when we gather our families and friends to celebrate the Nativity of Jesus, shares life many blessings, and demonstrate our love and gratitude for each other. As we take part in this joyous occasion, may we contemplate on the worth of the lessons that we can learn from the narrative of Christ's birth. Let the ideas of compassion, kindness, and reconciliation guide us as we embrace our countrymen in the spirit of shared humanity. Together, let us bring hope and peace in our nation this Yuletide season, and we welcome the coming year with much hope and optimism. I wish everyone a happy and meaningful Christmas.